Hey YouTube, it's Aqua. So, we're gonna root BlueStacks here. So, what we're gonna do is, I tried the one-click methods, but they are not working. So we're just gonna finesse. So, one way is configuring the configuration files for BlueStacks. So I'm gonna have the path here in the description. But so here's the path we need to go to. So you're gonna go to your this PC, then you're gonna go to your C drive, then you're gonna go to ProgramData. Now, if you don't see ProgramData once you're in your actual C drive, you're gonna have to go to your three dots here. You're gonna have to go to Properties, and then actually that's the wrong thing. You're gonna go to three dots. You're gonna go to Options. Then you're gonna choose View, and then you're going to show hidden folders and files. Okay, and then once you do that, you're going to hit apply. And then so once you do that, you should be able to see all your hidden files. Then you're going to go to ProgramData, and then you're going to go back to BlueStacks, which should be in the blues. So then once you go there, you're going to double click the file here. You could set it as Notepad and keep it as always, because you're going to modify this file a couple of times. And once you do that, it's going to open up all this crap. And then you're gonna go to the actual area here. So you're gonna go to your BlueStacks Pi. So whatever your instance is, you're going to find the BlueStacks. It should be root. Should be root like enabled on here. Enable root access. Yeah. So you're gonna go to BST instance. If you have Newigent or Pi, you're gonna do enable root access. Instead of 0, it's gonna be 1. And then you're gonna look for another root access. Top up here, it's gonna be BTS feature rooting. Put that as 1 as well. And then once you do that, that's all you're gonna need. So then you're gonna save it. And you're gonna hit exit. You're gonna X out of BlueStacks. And then you're gonna reopen BlueStacks. All right, and then once BlueStacks opens up, we're going to check to see if we have root. We should have root now. Let me know if you want another video on how to install super user or expose modules, things like that, to get this party really started. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So then once it opens back up, let's go to root checker basic. I installed this from the Google Play Store. Actually, no, I didn't. I installed this from Happy Mod. And now we're rooted. All right, so now we're finally rooted. So we are good. All right, well, hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Definitely follow, like, subscribe, and hit me with all the questions so we can all learn together. All right, peace.